up, folks? Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, lick the like button, and all that crap. You know, all the stuff that people go, blah, 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 doing the beginning of the video, do it all. If you like my videos, you want to watch the videos, have random stuff, whatever, you know the drill. This is the weekly What's New. What's new? Still going, still making videos. I'm making progress on this thing right here. You know, I should have a new video out with this thing so you can see what it is. Having a few problems screwing this thing down, but, you know, I'll get it. The first problem is Amazon seems to have sent all my packages to a similar address in a different part of New York State. Apparently, nobody on the UPS truck knows how to read zip codes and town names, so it's pretty obvious when you send it to one zip code and it's written on the box in their zip code, and they both have this similar address. So anyway, somebody in East Syracuse is getting a lot of packages because apparently I'm like the 30th plus person at the post office here that has that problem. Got refunded though, and a good portion of my daughter's Christmas gifts were in that package. But thankfully she didn't care. She's the one that asked for them. So, but I managed to get one gift. And it'll supposed to be on Monday. I'll find out if that one shows up. If that one had a similar problem. So with that said, hopefully I'll get it. If not, I don't know what's happening. I got a couple of things. Yeah, mostly parts for the thingamabobber there, the 3-wheeler. Other than that, I got a few other things I want to do, but I haven't had a lot of time. It's Christmas holiday, so I'll probably get a few more videos out, depending how cold it is. I need to do some welding, and I'm not sure if you can do MIG welding in minus 12 weather, but I'm going to probably do it anyway, just to see, because, you know, I'm the village retard. So, oh, I said that R word. Sorry, apologize. That's wordy. We grew up in the 80s, we were allowed to say that, so, oh well. You don't like it? Yeah, middle finger. So, with that said, also I've noticed, I sent another front set of forks out to be powder coated, and I'm probably gonna, I might put the old stuff on. The 87's getting a new front, what do you call it, triple. So if you like bikes, I'm gonna be doing that one. This one is, I'm trying to get the rolling chassis. You probably heard all this crap. I'm gonna be cleaning my garage soon because I have to do a few things. And I need to figure out where to put this bike because I need room. And I'm going to try to weld in here and try to figure out a way to weld in here without burning the place down, because that's my biggest concern right now. If I weld over here, do I need the car kitchen on fire? Do I need to move everything out of the way? So it's, you know, I don't need anything cooking off while I'm gone after. So other than that, not a whole lot. I'm still kicking away and making crazy videos. I got to do some woodworking videos soon. I had a really cool idea. I might see if I could do it later or over the summer. I want to make besides, I got to cut all get my ladders, I get squeezed in there, cut all the blocks for this little flip puzzle that I'm going to be doing because I want to make for my daughter. And I seen this little wooden block. It's about this big. It's just got a slice in it and it's all sanded. My wife always does puzzles. I want to make her one so you could put the puzzle box up on an angle so you could see it while they're doing puzzles. Just for my wife. They do it like I swear we're gonna have a library of puzzles soon. So, hey, it's, you know, it's good old fashioned clean fun. It's okay. I don't mind. I could do it for a while, then I realized I should have started doing puzzles like 30 years ago because now my eyes can't handle it. I'm just like, ugh, how do you do this? Then they go through the little square and it's fun. So with that said, stay tuned, stay real, and I hope everybody has a cool holiday. So, toodles.